5217, Vancouver Tower identified, clear direct to Monty, 500 feet, I'll get you higher eventually.
Direct Monty, 500 for now, 5217. For Vancouver Tower, altimeter 3002, number 2, falling dash 8 traffic, 4 miles ahead, clear to land, runway 011. Air Canto, cockpit blast ground heavy, proceed out Juliet Charlie, Juliet Alpha, hold short pop up. Juliet Alpha. Question 697, 5,000. Short Juliet Charlie.
Short Juliet Charlie, double E.
Glacier 565, there's no approach runway 26, sorry, right now. Glacier 565, third visual approach runway 08 right, contact Marinelle 1187.
2270, clear visual approach 08 right, Glacier 565.
Jazz 186, flying in 155, descend 7,000.
Correction, crossing 160 knots. Contact next tower 11955.
Okay, 11955. Contact that, going west, altimeter 3002. Present 2314, ground taxi Mike, Tango to the apron, going array, will give way, cross jet blast, again 67, starting up. Alright, Tango, land over, brief, stop, pause, discretion.
Jet 697, not below 2000 until final, clear the visual, runway 08 left approach, follow the traffic in. Jet 697, speed to your discretion, you're about 8 miles per hour.
Point 5, we're on a 2.2 now, contact Victoria 1191.
Pick Mark 10, we're looking over 291, passing 190 yesterday.
Thank you. Canada 121, Vancouver, good day, runway 08 left, altimeter 3002. 535, flying 160, descend 7,000. Here goes 535. 669, descend 10,000. Next Jazz 186, descend to 4,000.
1,700.
Hey, rate 3002, here Mike Victor, hold short hotel.
For route 1829.
115, descend 7,000, speed to 10 knots. 7,000. Pushing 540.
Question 1790, ground 7. United 2423, J77, ready to push Alpha. United 423, ground, push start, get description. Start up description, United 2423. Cool, Westjet 543, what's the 7.3 for 5,000?
Westjet 543, Vancouver arrival, runway 08 left.
Lead left, Westjet 543.
Air North 535, turn left heading 110, descend 2000, cleared RNF2, runway 08 left approach.
Left 110, down 2000, clear RNF2.
Air North 535, traffic to 12 o'clock, 7 miles, all continues joining the side with other routes.
555, we can that. 3002, number 2, falling dash 8. traffic at a mile and 127.